What's up, guys? This is Phillyswords RC. Today I got my Traxxas Sledge out. I'm a runner today. At least I get to bash a little harder today because I'm at my usual bash spot. So now I get to check out the suspension, the handling, and everything else. Now, so far, I bought this at RC Discount Superstore. And I did my research, and that's the only part that doesn't go to it. But this is like a $15, $20 part. You can find it anywhere. I got the orange one. Now, I also heard of the cups having problems, but I can't see that happening because it looked like it's way up in there. So far, I like the car, but I just want to see how hard I can bash it. Let's get into it. Only thing I don't like really with this car is the servo is kind of slow. But other than that, I hate to say it, but it kind of handled a little bit better than the Triton. But that comparison video is coming very soon. The suspension is pretty good. Handling is definitely good. This is my durability test spot. I can't do major jumps right now. Yeah, it soaked up all them bumps. It's pretty, I mean, can't complain. That suspension is plus. Wow, I'm surprised it stayed on its feet. Oh yeah, she is soaking that stuff up. Now this thing is nice and stable. Oh my goodness. Any of my cars would have flipped over from that. Wow. Up my first spill. And she all right. I know she should have been able to survive that. All my cars survived that. The steering ain't as bad as it seemed though. I mean, it is slow. Don't get it twisted. It is very slow. This thing is a beast. Hold on. I put a sway bar on this and everything. It do some nice power slides. Okay. Wow. Yeah, the hand, I have to give this props. This got very good handling. And this thing is nice and stable. If I can find the right jump spot, get some air. Yeah, I can't get it. I can't get it. I don't know if the power not punching hard enough or what. That sounds like something broke. Let's see. Okay, that was part of durability. I heard something pop, but maybe it's these rocks popping all over the place. Peace. Just had another bad crash. This car is muddy as hell. My cars never get this dirty. Another bad crash in my little short I just did. Look how dirty she is. Wow. I like this easy access to the body. You can literally use one hand. Battery popped out, but this battery not fitting really secure in there, so that's one reason why it popped out. It's in there, but not securely in there, not super tight. One-handed installing the battery. Look at my gloves. I'll be right back. This thing is muddy. Yeah, this car is really stable. I swear it's stable. The suspension is on point. I mean, geez. That is crazy. I mean, look at, like, this is effortless right here. That's truly effortless. Like, I'm not even really trying. That's crazy. I wish this didn't lead to a creek. If this didn't lead to a creek, I would hit it full throttle. She ain't got no problem making it to the top. Get some of that mud off everywhere. I gotta vent these tires too. Wow. I don't know, the Traxxas Sledge kind of won it for me right here. I don't know, Crichton. Ain't nothing gonna take place of a Crichton. Battery is dead. You know, I like to run until the battery is dead. Since I ain't got to worry about overheating, I'm gonna run the batteries down. Yo, but guys, I don't know. I like the Sledge a lot. Way more than I thought I would. I did not think I would like it like this. But trust me, this car got good handling, nice and stable. The suspension is off the charts. It's durable. That Crichton versus Sledge is coming up soon. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed that. This is Phillyswords RC.